Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be painting a cardboard box. Yes, you heard right, painting a cardboard box. Now, I'm not going to be painting this one, I have another one that I'm going to do. But I got this idea from a fellow YouTuber. Her name is Teresa and her channel is called Our Greene Acres. Let's check it out really quick. I got a little bit of her video showing how she did it.
Everyone is just going to love Teresa's channel. Now here's one of the boxes in her video. She also makes the paper flowers and the wooden recipe box there. Now in her video she does all three of these boxes, and you know what, she does the most fabulous French country farmhouse shabby chic DIYs. I just love her decor. Now I have a few snippets from her video showing how she does this, so you'll need to go to her full video to see it in full, and I do have the link listed down below. Now I need to get started on my own box. I decided to use a smaller box for this project, and I like how this one has a lid and that you can tuck it in. Now I'm just going to use some of my craft paint in a light ivory color. Now I am just going to be painting 3 sides on the inside of the box. The rest of it I am going to be attaching some scrapbook paper. I'm probably going to have to end up doing 2 coats on this. Now I've sped up the video here. I'm just going to be showing me painting the inside portion of the box. Now I'll be finishing up the outside of the box. I did go ahead and do 2 coats, and I'm going to take some sandpaper and do a little bit of distressing. I did find out that by doing 2 coats of paint, you got to press a little bit harder with the sandpaper to get the paint to rub off. Now I've gone ahead and attached my scrapbook paper to the inside with some Mod Podge, and I'm glad that this box opened up because I was trying to figure out how to do it. Now that it's dry, I'm going to put the box back together. The next thing I'll be doing is attaching my printable to the front. This is the printable that I chose to put on here, and I have it cut to size. And I'm just going to use some Mod Podge on the back. Now I'm going to put it on the front. I'm just going to eyeball it. This is proving a little more difficult than I thought. Looks like third time's the charm here. And a couple of the corners are not all the way down, so I'll add just a little bit more. Okay, now I feel like I want to put something on each side of the printable. And I have this lace here. I think will look perfect for it. Perfect fit. Now I have cut my lace to size, and I'm going to be hot gluing it on. Trim a little of the excess off, and my box is done.
Well, I really like how my little box turned out, and you know what? I might have to make the black version of this. I might be able to find another box like this one. Now, doing this project gave me some ideas. As you can see, I have a few things sitting here. Now, usually at the thrift stores when I go, I see all these storage boxes like this, and of course the book storage boxes, and they're usually nothing that I like the design on. Of course, these I did not get at the thrift store. I've had these, but I just wanted to show you samples of it. Now this one I'm not going to change. This one I might be changing because I didn't buy this for this color because I don't really care for this color on here. I just bought it because of the darkness on here, and I knew I was going to stack another one on top. But you know what? I think that this would look good. And this is another one of the printables that I printed out that I was going to do a bigger box, but I changed my mind and did the smaller. But you know what? That might even look good on here. Might do that. I might be switching this one out. A few more ideas for lining the inside of your box besides the scrapbooking paper. And actually I was going to use this one at first in the box, but I changed my mind and used the black and white stripe. But maybe I might do something, because I kind of like the way these look together. Put those. You could also use some decorative tissue paper like this. Actually, you could even wrap this on the outside if you wanted to, or any kind of wrapping paper that you like. Now, I love this wrapping paper. Check it out. This looks like burlap and lace. I really love it. And I was going to do a bigger box and use this on the inside And like I said, this printable. And I also had the idea, I had this burlap ribbon here that has a white stencil on it, because I thought that coordinated enough and I thought it would look really pretty. I'll show you a little sample of how I was going to do it. It's not going to look right on this box because it would be on a much bigger box, but I was just going to put it down the middle like that. I thought that would look really nice. So you can use ribbons, lace, buttons, anything you want to embellish your boxes. So like I said, I might be switching this one out. Now again with the printables, it's the Graphics Fairy, and I have the link down below in my description box, so go check it out because they're free and there's so many nice ones to choose from. And again, give a little shout out again to Teresa for the inspiration of this project, and I have her channel linked down below too, and I highly recommend that you go check it out and be sure that you subscribe to her channel because you're just going to love her. She does the French Country Farmhouse Shabby Chic DIYs, lots of them, and her decor. So that is going to wrap it up for the video today. And, you know, I'm not sure what my next video is going to be. We might be doing a little decorating over here on this table, going a little Tuscan style. So I want to wish everybody a very wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.